Hello everyone, my name is Greg from lobbystar.com, and in today's video we'll be talking about mindset and why mindset is so important. Let's dive in. So I have here some drawing. I will go and walk you through this drawing here. So how your mindset affect goals and plans you have. So I have an example here. So we have a HBA Academy, which is part of Funnel Builder and Academy, what I'm part of. And in this example, say we have 4 people who join my HB Academy, and so we have one student, a factory worker, and we have for example, solo guy, and a family father. Okay, they have all the same circumstances, which means they join HBA. They have $1,000 to start. They all have no experience, and they will be checking on, for example, from 90 days period, and they all have 2 to 3 hours a day to work on the business. So the interesting part is these all 4 people have the same circumstances, but they have all different results. Okay, they have all different results. And why is that? Because of the mindset. Okay, let me guys explain. So, for example, the student joined this HB Academy because he wanna just make extra money. Okay, so extra couple $100 because he is a student, he is busy learning. Okay, a factory worker, yeah, maybe he is, he is not happy with his job and he looking for some extra. Oh, what's happening now? I don't know what's okay. The factory worker, he looking for extra money, but he is still full-time working. Okay, and the solo guy, yeah, he is alone, and maybe he lost a job and he just find a HBA and jump in to maybe replace his job. And the 4th person is a family father who joined the HB Academy because he is not happy with his job. He is not happy with the time what he is working. He is working all the time. He is away from his family, and he get older and he don't know the family time, and he is looking very hard to find something else to allow him to stay closer to his family. So what's the difference between this all 4 person? These 3 person, they have something in common. They just looking for extra money. Okay, and the family father, he is looking to change his life. He is looking for buying for more time. Okay, and all those circumstances give them motivations. Okay, so these all 3 people, they just looking for some extra money, but the family father is looking for the time. High probability is that the family father gets successful because he is highly motivated to win time for his family. So the whole purpose of today's video is to show you how your mindset affects goals and plans you have. So the question is, what do you want? What do you want? Do you want extra money or extra time? You need to answer these questions for yourself. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in next video. Bye now.